Hey guys, what's up? So Snapchat is having a new effect called Magic Karaoke. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this effect and how you can use the effect. So in this effect, there's music also, but sorry, I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike. Okay, but there's music also. So let's go check out the filter. Okay, this is the filter. So when you go to the filter, you will see pictures from your camera roll. You can choose picture from your camera roll, and there's option you can switch between your camera roll and your camera. Then you will see some buttons here. You can tap there and you can choose different music. So let's try them. So here on the bottom you will see pictures from your camera roll. You can choose from these pictures likewise. Okay, so on the left side you will see these different music buttons. You can tap there and choose different music likewise. So for now there's 5 songs. Maybe Snapchat will bring more songs in future. Okay, and on the right side you will see this camera switch button. You can tap there and you can switch between your camera roll and your camera. It's better from camera roll. Okay, so this was the filter, guys. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Then you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours, tap there. And that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, see you in the next video.